So you say in 30 minutes you can completely change the shape of your nose if you're unhappy with it?
Sure, yeah. So this procedure that I've developed is really a refinement of what's traditionally known as the non-surgical rhinoplasty.
So that's 3 injections,
That's 3 injections. So the 3 critical points that would make the biggest difference on the nose, in order to minimise the number of injections, minimise risk, make it as minimally invasive as possible.
What I don't understand is, if you've got a bump on your nose, so you're filling the rest to bring the rest of the skin up to the level with the bump,
That's
are
right.
you just making the nose bigger?
You're right. I mean, technically, yes, it is making it bigger if you were to measure the volume of the nose, but that's not what really upsets a person about their nose. It's not. So a nose is usually the problems come with an unbalanced nose, a nose that looks, the contours are slightly accentuated, and there's a prominent bump. Once it's straightened and balanced out, even if the volume technically is a little bit bigger, it's a much more beautiful looking nose.
Okay.
But this is a great alternative for people who want those small refinements of a nose, who don't want to go through the risk of surgery. The first thing is really to decide where these critical points are, just to make sure that we get the most punch for our injectable, for our injection volume. And so that would be the first point at the bridge here, to give it more balance and give her a nice curvature from the eyebrow coming down, that nice sweep coming down. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Straighten up the bridge here, and then at the tip, we'll just do a couple of small, a tiny injection of filler there, just to lift up the tip, give it a very feminine lift, which is obviously very attractive.
Go on, then give her the first jab.
Sure.
Thanks. Oh, you're going to go for it. You're going to go for it. OK, good luck.
OK, don't let's put you off.
And you can already see where that's gone in.
Sure. OK, well, we'll let you carry on.
Oh, my gosh, exciting. See you in 30 minutes, then.
Now is the moment of truth. Did he manage to do it? Let's see how you've done. So I think we're going to probably have a look at what you were like before. And there you go. That was the nose that you weren't happy with before. And this is now. And that...
Wow. I mean, that is it strangely looks smaller.
That's quite clever.
That's, I mean, wow, that's a big change.
How did it feel to have it? Because I know you've had it done before, so how did it feel to have it done this time?
Pain-free again, but just seeing that, yeah. It's
Are you happy?
The same feeling as what I had before. I know a lot of people say, but, I mean, look at the difference. And I think you notice on photographs, you know...
You've got some big events coming up, which is why you wanted this sorted out. And you know that they'll be
happy with the pictures and
immortalised.
put them up and show them.
What does it do for your confidence?
And look... Oh, it's massive. When I first had it done 2 years ago, I can't tell you enough how much, you know, just being out there, smiling. I used to look at pictures, honestly, side profile made me cringe.
Really?